I can't work, the Wi-Fi's out.
No, it's not.
I'm gonna rip that cord out of the wall. I'm full.
It's been 5 minutes.
You have a messy house.
Did you clean the living room?
Alexa, start cleaning.
No. I don't know how much longer I can live like this. Oh, I can't find my house.
It's right there.
I'm stuck. I'm done.